Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Aero OS based on Android 11 on your Lyco Coolpad Cool 1. So let's get started. So these are the three files which you will need to install Aero OS. The first one being the Aero OS, second one the NIC apps, and the third one the Sharp Recovery. For this process, you will have to install TWRP in your device. If you don't know how you can install TWRP Recovery, then I will give you the link in the description. Watch that video, install TWRP on your phone and come back to this point of the video. I am currently running on Android 10. You can be on any OS to install Android 11. So now we will go into the recovery by powering off our device. And then we will press the volume up and power button together. Make sure you download everything on a pen drive because your internal storage will be completely wiped off during the process. So I have connected the pen drive into the device. Now we will go to install, select the storage as USB OTG. Search for the folder where we have downloaded the files and search for the Sharp SHRP version 2.3.2. It's basically a recovery. We will have to swipe to flash it. It will hardly take around 10 to 20 seconds and that's done. Get back, reboot the recovery. Now your recovery screen will show up a warning on the top of it. Just click on Never Show This Screen and click on Tick below. After you have done this, go to Wipe, select Advanced Wipe and select everything that you can. Select Confirm. And don't worry about the red message. Now again go to Format Data and press Yes and hit Enter. And again don't worry about the red. Now go back and flash, select the USB storage where you downloaded the files and select Aero 11. And confirm to flash it. This will hardly take around 3 to 4 minutes. I have cut things up for you to save your time. After this is done, get back and flash the NIC apps. These are the apps based on Android 11 version. Do not flash Open apps. You have to download NIC apps from the description below. This will hardly take around 2 minutes. And then get back, click on reboot and press reboot again. Now your device will boot into the Aero OS. You will see the Android logo and again the Aero OS logo. If your screen is stuck on this Aero OS logo, then press the power button for 10 seconds. Do this only if the device does not boots up in around 5 to 6 minutes or so. After that, you will directly get into the system. You do not need to set the device up. So let's check the Android version of this one. Here we go, it's Android 11. Everything works fine in this ROM. There is a dedicated button for dark theme, which you can enable it in the toggles. It is a system-wide dark mode. Even the settings and all the device goes to pitch black mode. The camera is already installed there and it works flawlessly. Voice over LTE also works on this ROM. This ROM comes with YouTube Advanced pre-installed and it has a pretty nice volume of sound. This also supports picture-in-picture mode. That's very handy. Now the Android 11 has a dedicated panel for volume in the notification bar. That looks very cool. This thing also has remote control for Coolpad Cool 1. So don't need to worry, just configure your remote. And it also has Play Store installed in it. You can customize the layout, style, wallpaper, the font size, anything what you want. There are a lot of fonts and a lot of customization icon styles, and also you can choose the icon shapes as well. The accent color can also be modified. After choosing the layout, we will see that the icons have changed its shapes and sizes. There are a lot of customizations available. Fingerprint also works. If the fingerprint is not working, then please reboot the device. It will definitely work. This ROM also has support for 3-finger navigation, and you can also choose between gesture navigation. So this was it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you ended up liking this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. This was Tech Stuff. Peace.
Prepare to die.